I like the red, and we have green, and we have like a blue. Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at an item that the company did send me and did compensate and make a review on. It is a solar address sign light. Now this is a kind of a cool light. I think this is kind of very, very interesting. This is a solar light, so you can use it, hang it up outside, and you can use it and you can hang it on the wall. You can put it in you can stake it in the ground. You can do a lot of cool different things with this. It's 3 sides, as you can see here. So this any which way where you put it, people are going to be able to see your address, and that's really important. I think it's most important personally, just for safety reasons. If you, like you said, something you have to call medical emergency or something happens, they can find your address really easy with this. Especially if you have a dark neighborhood, this is really nice. Automatically lights up, automatically controls the dimness as it gets darker or it gets brighter. You have different colors available. There's a remote control that comes with it as well. You can set the different colors, red, green, blue, yellow, all these different colors. You can have it flashing. You can turn the brightness up and down, all in the remote control, on and off. Really super simple. They also give you a couple of mounting screws. If you want to mount it on the wall of your home, you can. Or if you want to mount it near your mailbox, you can. And it has a couple of mounting slots right here. There's a hole right here. You put a screw right here, and a little sliding slot here where you put the other screw, and that's how you mount it. Comes with the stake. This is a metal stake that you put into the ground. This is an adjustment knob. This goes in here. You can just you put this in like that. Okay, you tighten this up, and then you can put the pole in. The pole's made out of plastic, again, all waterproof, and you can adjust the height. I like that. That's really cool. So we're going to take this out at night. As soon as it gets dark out, I'm going to show you outside how it looks. But I'm just showing you the overall basics about this item as it is. So before we look at the letters, let's just go over some of the more of the features of this, of this sign, which is really important. And I think it's really, really important to go over all this. Again, it's ISP65 waterproof. It's got the dual ways of putting it. You can put it on the wall or stake it in the ground. 2,000 milliamp battery. Really, really important. I like that. It's a lot of good stuff here. Again, it's all solar power, so it charges all day, runs all night, which is nice. Dawn to dusk automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. That's a really good feature. 7 colors, like I said, you can do it with the remote control or however you set it. It goes like that. It's a 360 visible from any distance, which I like that. All different angles, so this is really important. I like this quite a bit. That really works well. Again, 2,000 milliamp battery, really large. Around a sunny day, around 12 hours, a cloudy day, around 8 hours to charge it, and a rainy day, around 6 hours to charge. So it's always going to charge all day, which is nice. Auto bright at night, so it goes on as bright as you want when you set it up. It'll do that automatically. Easy to install. You can customize by putting a name on one side and an address on the other side. You can do a lot of different things with this product. I do like this quite a bit. Now, let me just go over, that's some of the specs on that, okay? So this is the stake and all this stuff. We went over all this already. Now, let me just give you an example how you do this. And I'm just going to set up an address later, but this is the actual device itself. So I thought that you would open this up and put the sticker inside. You don't. They give you these stickers and they give you these templates. So depending on how big your address is, you can use this template here. So say you have a long address. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So say you're at 5827 West Main Street, something like that. So what you do is you can set it up here as a template. That way all the numbers kind of match, and you can set your numbers here. That's why they give you these templates. You just move it over here, and you can do the same thing here, and you can just move it over here and do the same thing over here. So that's the idea behind these templates. So if you have a very long address, 2765, whatever, North Main Street or whatever address that would be. Here is a shorter one here with 3. So 326 Main Street. You can do that. That's cool. And here's one with 4. Like his 4 letters, numbers. So you can put 6523 West Elm Street, whatever it may be. That's just the idea behind that. And you can just use them as templates all around the different sides of your sign. Again, you don't put them in the inside. You put these on the outside. So these are vinyl waterproof numbers. So basically you pull the number off and the size that you're looking for. And you can just apply them to the sign where you want them to go. Well, I think that's actually really brilliant. I love that. And they give you different sizes. So here's some big ones, and here are some small ones, and even smaller ones they'll give you. So they give you a ton of different options that you can fill in. Here's ABC. They got the alphabet here, so you can be 125 West. You can put a W, E. You can put the names if you want to. You can put your name on here if you want to just custom do it. There's a lot of things you can do with this. So it has a lot of flexibility here. So I'm just going to and have that. So they have big numbers, a little bit smaller numbers here. So again, you can just put them right here, use a template, and you can put them right down. You can just see how that works. Really super easy. So I'm just going to do something simple. I'm just going to put one number in the middle. Keep it simple, but you can do anything you want. We're going to go outside and we're going to check it out and we're going to see how this works. Again, here is the solar panel. Solar panels on top right here. Here's a manual button here. So if you want to turn it off and on, there's a manual button here, or it'll go on dawn to dusk by itself. Now we'll do that at night when it gets darker out. We'll go out, we'll check it out. I'm going to put a number on each one of these here, and we're going to take a look and see how it looks at night. And really, really cool. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to do a night shot, and we're going to show you how it looks. Let's see, 7, boom, boom, boom. And there we go. So there we go. So there is my 7. That's pretty cool, right? I like that. And that's going to light up all behind it. It's going to really illuminate. I like that. And we go around and put the rest of the 7s around, and then we're just going to put it outside real quick, and then we're going to light it up and see how it looks. And that's what we're going to do next. All right. So I'm just going to finish it. Like I said, they give you a bunch of numbers and plenty here to go around. Then I'm just going to set it up, and I'm going to put it in the ground, and then we're going to see how it looks all around. I got the 7s, and then I'll just give you an idea on size, so you know this is approximately about 15 3/4 inches long and approximately 5.5 inches wide. And that's the rough estimate for the size. That's what it is. Okay, I'm going to pop this outside and let's see how it looks at night. Okay, guys, I'm in my studio. I shut the lights off real quick. Just want you to see how it looks at night. This thing, look at this thing. It's awesome. I have the little remote control right here. These are all the different colors. I really like this a lot. We have the red. I like the red. And we have green. And we have like a blue and green and like a light blue, like a purplish color, and a white. And this almost like, I think it rotates, and yeah, it's different colors, keeps changing. And this is like a disco. I'm not sure about that. That'll confuse people, but maybe not. But I like this look. That looks really cool. I like the green. That's very cool. I like the different colors, and you can see all around. That's really awesome. Isn't that how that pops out? Isn't that really cool? I love that. And you get the remote control, so you can shut this off, turn it back on. There's the remote control in my hand. Turn it back on. I like the red. Personally, I think the red is really cool. And when the light goes on, it'll shut off the light. Then I'm red. There we go. I like that. All right, I'm going to hook this up outside and see how it looks at night. Turn it on, and let's hit the on button. You can reach from here. Here it goes. So now you can see how it illuminates. Look how that just lights right up. Now you can see what number you're at. Now it does go into a rotation when I first turned it on. I'm just going to hit the, I'm just going to put on one color. Let's see. And it's really difficult to see anybody's signs at all. It's a very, very dark street, and you really can't see anything. So you really can't see what number you're driving by. But if I turn it on, I'm going to turn the light, and you can see there it goes. So you can see, look at that, how it lights up. You can really see this really, really well. I'll just put that on red. I like the red personally. I'm going to keep it on red. And then that's all set to go. It'll go off and on red every single night. Again, here's the different colors. There's the green. Here's the bluish or the purple, however it looks to you. Green again. See all the different colors, how it's changing. There's the white. And this one here is the disco one. We talked about that before, but we're not doing that because that looks annoying. I actually like the red quite a bit. Now you can just see what a huge difference is. I'm going to turn it off. Look how dark it is. Turn it back on. You can see how important something like this is when you want to have your room, your light set up. So when you first turn it on, it goes to like a cycle. So I just powered on to the red, and you can make it bright and you can make it dimmer. So you can have a dimming. So you can see how I can make it a little dimmer or make it bright. I want to turn all the way up bright, all the way up. Okay, that is all the way up. I think that looks absolutely amazing. I want to go a little farther away and just take a quick test and see how it looks from there. So you can see here, I'm far away. I'm probably halfway into the street, and you really can't see much of anything. It's so dark. You can just see that. So if someone's driving by, you really can't see the address, and someone's coming over your house or something, an emergency, they can't see anything. Now I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to see the difference. Okay, you can see I just turned it on, and that is a huge difference right there. I think I'm going to keep this. This is awesome. I love it. It'll charge all day. It'll run all night. And someone always knows your address if they're trying to find your home. You can see it right there. So if someone's driving by, oh, there it is. Really easy to make out. And you can put any address you want there. It doesn't really matter. And that's what I have for you guys. All right. Hope I brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope it means a lot to me. I hope I brought you some value. So hit that like button. Smash that like button. It means a lot to me, guys. I really do appreciate that. And this is definitely an awesome item. There'll be a link on the bottom of the video in the field below the description, and also there'll be a QR code on top right in the corner right up here, right in the corner of the right, and there'll be a QR code for this product right here. So go ahead. I do get a small commission, like I said before. It does help support my channel and cost you absolutely nothing, and this is definitely a winner. I love this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you at the next review.